ChatGPT, the ultimate AI language model review and analysis. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you all. We'll be diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring the capabilities of ChatGPT, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. So, without further ado, let's get started. Introduction to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge AI language model that has been trained on a vast amount of internet text data. It can understand and generate human-like responses in natural language conversations. This model has been designed to assist users in various domains, including education, content creation, customer support, and more features and functionality. Now, let's talk about the impressive features and functionality of ChatGPT. One of the standout aspects is its ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. It can understand complex questions and provide meaningful answers, making it a valuable tool for information retrieval. Another remarkable aspect is the model's adaptability. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, allowing it to specialize in different domains. This flexibility makes it a versatile solution for a wide range of applications. Pros and cons. As with any technology, there are pros and cons to consider. Let's take a look at both sides of the coin. Pros. Host. First, let's discuss the advantages. ChatGPT exhibits a high degree of fluency in generating human-like responses. It can hold engaging conversations and provide insightful information, which can be incredibly useful for researchers, writers, and educators. ChatGPT is continuously improving. OpenAI has been actively refining the model based on user feedback and updates to enhance its performance and address limitations. The ability to fine-tune ChatGPT for specific tasks enables organizations to create custom AI solutions tailored to their unique needs, improving efficiency and productivity. Cons. Host. One of the notable challenges of ChatGPT is its tendency to produce plausible-sounding yet incorrect or misleading answers. The model lacks real-world knowledge verification, which can occasionally lead to inaccuracies. ChatGPT's responses may also be overly verbose or fail to ask clarifying questions when faced with ambiguous queries. This can sometimes result in a less than optimal user experience. Use cases. Host. Now, let's explore some practical use cases where ChatGPT can shine. Content creation. ChatGPT can assist content creators by providing topic ideas, offering writing suggestions, and even drafting sections of articles or blog posts. Customer support. The model can be trained to handle customer inquiries, providing prompt and accurate responses, which can significantly enhance customer service experiences. Language learning. ChatGPT can serve as an interactive language tutor, helping learners practice conversational skills and receive real-time feedback. Conclusion. ChatGPT offers a glimpse into the exciting advancements in artificial intelligence and natural language processing. While it has remarkable strengths, it's crucial to be mindful of its limitations. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect future iterations of ChatGPT to address current challenges and unlock even more potential. The possibilities are endless. That's all for today's video. If you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know your thoughts on ChatGPT in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.